Good afternoon, my name is Kelly and I'm a Youth Services Librarian for the Bethlehem Area Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make an easy bird feeder, either using a kit you can pick up from the Bethlehem Area Public Library Main, or things you can easily find at home. So the first thing you'll get in the kit is a little packet of birdseed, a stick of honey, some hemp rope, and a pine cone. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your hemp rope, you're going to decide which way you want your bird feeder to hang, whether you want it to be hanging upside down, like this. We're going to choose to hang it this way, and you're just going to go in and wrap the hemp rope around the bird feeder. You can put in a square knot. And then wrap it again. Another square knot. Okay. And then you're just going to put another square knot in, that this hangs nicely above the pine cone, right like that. It should look like this. And then you can tie another knot in it once you get to the tree. You'll just tie it like that so it's nice and secure on the branch. And then do another square knot. And then you can just trim off the excess. Right. So then the next step is you're going to pour the birdseed onto a plate and spread it out. And then you're going to take your scissors and snip off the end of the honey, and then you're just going to want to cover the bird feeder with the honey. So you can use your fingers if you want to spread it. You can use a knife, or you can do what I'm doing, where you just take the stick and you squeeze it out and use that. Right, and now that that step's done, you can take it and you can just roll the pine cone in the birdseed. Keep doing this until you pick more and more up. And I'll start to pick some up like this. You can see that. Or you can also take it and pour it and press it down all over the pine cone. you go. Now you have a nice, easy bird feeder that you can go hang outside on a tree branch or on a pole. If you hang it like this so that the pine cone creates little cups, you can even take any excess bird seed and you can just sprinkle it inside. And then you can also sprinkle the extra bird seed on the ground near it. Okay, and that's it. Now you have a pinecone bird feeder that you can use to help feed the birds during the winter. I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a good day.